Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation. That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.
Howdy, howdy. Welcome to another one. So anyway, multi-use surface mount enclosure based on an RFID reader that you can buy. Alterations. We've got to do some alterations. So as I showed you last time, this stepped here bevel didn't quite allow it to print at that angle, so we've got to change it. Now we don't want to change it too much, so we're going to have a look what we're going to do with it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so we ended up with this. We got to finish that off as well, but it's probably just as well we didn't get to finish that off, because if we're going to alter the bevel to get it to print, that's a different story. Right, let's remove the bottom a minute. Let's get into X-ray mode. Right, let's have a look. What can we do here to make this right? So obviously that, the way it was printed was upside down. So like this. And it did, to be fair, Bamboo Studio did want to print it at 45 degrees. And I didn't let it. So there's a few things to sort out. So let's sort out this inner bit first. So the shelf was too wide. It would be okay if it was stepped down. So yeah, so we're gonna have to sort that out, because you can have a look on the here, and we lost a couple of edges, only a couple, because it was just too much for it, free floated, but it did manage to do. So if we can get rid of 1/2 mil, I think it'd be alright. Anyway, let's just go and have a look at it. Right, so if we can get rid of 1/2 mil, let's go and get out of that one. So what have we actually got here on this ledge? What have we got here? We've got a 1 mil. So yeah, we could lose 1/2 mil. Now if we do that, what are we going to do to the bottom? That's a nice fit. So do we bring it in or do we take it out? I think, I'll tell you what, let's measure it. Let's measure the bottom one. 59.5. Let's have a look at the original one. Let's get the real one. Have a look at the size of it. $59.5. It's close. Actually, that is it's not. It's 60. So that 0.5 is the bit we can take off, isn't it? Let's have a look. So that's. So you said it was. Hang on, it's not coming up now, is it? We said it was 59.5. It's actually 60. So we'd have to take off 0.25, but still not quite enough. So we're too small here. Right, so we need to, yeah. So let's turn the top off. We've got to redo this one here. So the best way I can do it is momentarily bring that back up to flush, and then this down to bring that down. Let's just see how high it is. 1.5. I've got to bring that down to flush with that, and that. Now what have we done there? We got rid of it altogether. Yeah, we seem to have lost it now. Hang on. Right. Right, so how can we do this? Need to make it wider. So what we'll do, we'll try a different way. We'll go around it. Right, and then we'll do this one. 0.5. That's the new one, and then we'll bring that up to there. Okay, and then we can get rid of the old one, maybe. Probably some more bits to get rid of as well. Let's zoom in a bit. So we've got to get rid of that, and we'd have to get rid of that also. Yep, so we've basically sorted that out. That's a better size for us. I'm not sure whether we had to do it on all roads, so we're gonna have to measure that again. Right, so let's see what we got here. 76.250. Let's have a look. So maybe it's 76. You can't always tell. It's probably not 76. It's difficult when you try to just line it up. It's 76. So I don't think we need the 2.250. Anyway, let's have a look. So we've got 76.25. So we've got a choice now. Let's just bring each side in. Right, how do we bring each side in now? Go like this. Excuse me. Grab. Nope. Grab that. Move it down. Excuse me. We need to grab this as well. And that. Oh. What happened? No, nearly. I need to bring that down by 0.125. excuse me, and bring the top up, the bottom up, sorry, by the same amount. Okay, let's have a look at it in 3D before we, because we might have messed it up. No, we didn't mess it up. That's good. So let's just see. We should have a measurement of 76. Yeah. Okay, that's better for us. Right, okay. Okay. So we've sorted that out a bit better. Now we need to do the top. So the top we said was okay, but we're sticking out. Doesn't look too bad actually. I think we'll leave it at that. Let's just see what we got here. 77. So it's 1.25. Okay, a little bit over. Does it matter? Probably it does matter actually. So what's the gap here? 625, and we got, what have we got there? Can't do it from that angle. Why not? Are we slightly down? Yeah, we're slightly down off it, off the angle. Yeah, we're not quite right. That's the clearance. We got clearance. And we had this problem last time, so if we can bring that up, just up, so it's level with this, and oh, that can stay there actually. Right, so that should be okay. Should be able to measure it now. 0.5 mil. So let's keep it at 0.5 mil then. So we need to lose 0.125 off either end. Okay, we'll do that then. So get rid of the bottom. Let's get rid of oops. Shrink it down by 0.125, and again down here. .125. So that should then give us 77. Let's bring back that bottom. We should have 0.5 of a mil all the way around. Looks good to me. Yeah. Okay. So we got 0.5, right, brilliant. Okay, so that's better. It's better. So we've sorted that bit out, apart from the shoulder. The shoulder needs reducing because we've now got too big of a shoulder, I think. Let's remove the bottom. Yeah, we've got too big of a shoulder. 1 mil. So we need to grab the infill now. We need to grab this here. Go around all this now. Basically do the same as what we did a while ago. And let's grab some more of this. Okay. We'll use this and we'll come in. Now we've got to have some clearance. Because the other thing, yeah, it's only 1/2 mil. So if we, to be exactly right, would be 1/2 mil, but we have to have a bit of clearance. We don't want it dead tight, otherwise it's going to be difficult to push it in and out. But they don't want it too big, but not too small. So let's, so 0.4. Let's just go 0.4. So 0.4. There we go. So we'll have 0.6 here to get rid of. That's okay. So we'll do that as we'll go like this and just take it down to there. That's it. So we've got that, and this is going to prevent this stringing because there's not enough overhang to make it string there. So if we go back to this string in here, because that was trying to come out 1 mil, now we're only coming out 0.4, so we can get rid of that stringing. So the next bit is to sort this out here now. We want the bevel, but we can't actually make the bevel. We can make a steeper one that would work, but then it won't look the same as the original. So yeah, anyway, let's see what we can do with the bevel next. And if we alter the bevel, we've got to alter the lower one. If we get rid of the top, we've already got the shape of this, so we've got the same problem there. So that's a bit of a problem. We can print, all this can be printed, so we can either lose the bevel or just bevel the very edge and have this straight, but then it'll look approximately like the original, but without the big bevel. It'll just have the bevel on the edge, but at least it'll be able to be printed, but it'll look somewhat square. So the idea of it having looking the same as the original is not going to be possible. Unless, now if this thing can print it on its side, that would have the texture of the build plate, and then you're going to have to problem of all this. I don't know, because this is separate. Well, that's just a pop-on cover. I don't know what we're going to do with this. I'm trying to design it the same as the original. Alright, so do we lose? What happens if we make it flat? If it's flat, it will basically go over still, won't it? The other idea is, of course, is to go back to the original. This is the original here. What about if we discard the original? It's a bit of a waste, really. Discard that and print one out that's square that goes over the original, and then they'll all look square. Maybe. I don't know why they put a bevel on it. Let's have a look at the original one. So I've got the original one, and it's got a bevel top. So let's have a look at that. So, and that bevel is a bit of a pain, but looking straight on, it's not that much noticeable. So what about if I get rid of it? If I just get rid of it and make the new one just square. Just square, yeah. Maybe. Just trying to envision it. I think that's the only way of doing it. But if we don't like it, the fact that the original one's got a bevel and our new one is square, you know, square there, and we could put a line across it a little indentation, 0.25 of a mil or 0.5, just to show, to keep the lines flowing. But at least it'll stop all this stringiness. And it'll give you a nice texture on the front as well, yeah. Okay, but we'll keep the bevel on the edge. Okay. Let's go with that then, I think. So, this is going to be easier. So, do we go off? I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll just go off we'll lose the top a minute. So, if I can just go like this, can't I? So we'll have to reintroduce a bevel. Well, this inner bit doesn't have the bevel. It's the outer bit that has the bevel. Okay. And we'll obviously have to redo all that again. Yeah, so it looks more of a bevel here than. I wonder if I may have got my measurements wrong, because it looks worse here than it does on the real thing. Right, so we've got that there. Oh, I know what I didn't do. I didn't go into the model. So I grab that, and cut it. Go into the model and paste it. Right. So if I do something like no, still hasn't brought it up. Why not? What have I done wrong? I haven't done anything wrong. Why is it not producing a surface? Oh, it did now. It took a while. Still not doing it. Oh, have I clicked out? I've clicked out of it, haven't I? That's why. Alright. Okay. Yeah, I clicked out of it. It's gone a bit weird. Oh well. Alright, so we've got a filled up one, sort of. Not there. So we do that, and we've got to get rid of the bevel. And we've got to do the inside as well, and then we've got to change the other one, the top that goes on it, and redo these. Never ending. Oh well. Right, so we can get rid of some of these external ones now, so that can go. That can go. That can go. That can go. And of course this can go now. I don't need that. Or that. Or that. So we've got our surface, but there's the bit underneath to sort out as well. So we might as well sort that out now. It just means we can get a bigger circuit board in. Alright, let's sort this out then. How are we going to do that? Are we just going to move the whole thing down? Let's move the whole thing down, or we can just I'll just draw along with it. That's easy, isn't it? Right, okay. Right. Okay. Do 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 do. I don't know what it's doing. It's not, where am I? I'm on the back. I don't know what's going on there. Probably because I haven't drawn the rest of it. Let's draw this side. All the way over here to that one. That's it. And what can we get rid of? Now this is 2i, isn't it? Hang on, let's have a look at that. So that can just go, yeah, it needs to be all the way down, I think. Right, okay, let's do that then next. Oh, it's not liking that. Right, let's try it from this angle. Can't. Okay. Right, that's not right, is it? Oh, we're on a weird angle there. Perhaps we didn't clean up some stuff. Hang on. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing here because one's an outer shell. Difficult to see. Let's come out of the X-ray. Right, take the surface off a minute. Right, so we can see what we're doing. Oh, there must be an angle to this. Can't see now. Need it back in X-ray mode. Can't see. Yeah, so we've got a bevel. Oh, because that's following the old bevel. That's right. We don't no longer want the bevel. But we don't want an overhang either. Alright, let's just bring that down to the surface. Okay. Alright, I can get rid of some of that in a minute. We're drawing through stuff. X-ray mode's great for drawing through stuff. Okay. So now we can get rid of, should be able to get rid of that, that and that. It just means we're going to print more plastic there. That's the only problem. Wasted a bit of plastic. Alright, so we've got that. What does it mean plastic wise? We've got this. Can't visualize it from here. That's the indent. And then it just goes down to the floor. Yeah, maybe something we don't need here. I can see it. Maybe it's okay. Maybe it's alright. Okay, we'll say it's okay and we'll just go and do the rest of this side now. It's a mirror image. That don't look right, does it? Nah. Could that be right? Maybe. Yeah, it is. There's no radio on tonight. You could put it on and listen to. I don't know if it's legal to listen to the airband. It's legal to listen to it. Whether I can rebroadcast it, I don't know. I'll have to find out if that's legal. You can do it. You can do it with. I think you can do it with amateur stuff. Just rebroadcast. Of course you can. But I'm not sure about an airband. What's happened here? Why have I lost this? Oh yeah, because I've got to bring this down. Okay. So now we can get rid of that, that and that. Okay. Right, if you want the airband, we can always put the airband on. Let's put it on. Right, let's stick this on airband on. Listen to the whatever they're doing. I'll do it. Airband. Right. Right, so there's a line there we can get rid of now. And there. Right. This is simplified, isn't it? Got to, at the end of the day.
Good evening to you, Top Jet 7 November Mike, with flight level 380 Maiden. Top Jet 7 November Mike, London, good evening, route director Knockin. Knockin direct Top Jet 7 November Mike.
Right,
Fiber Express 1894, climb flight level 290.
You always talk fast. You always talk fast.
Level 290, RB Express 18994. Annex 55 Uniform Victor, contact Scottish 128.055. Bye-bye. 128.055, Annex 55 Uniform Victor. London, good evening, runner 5000, climb for 150, did the looking for 320.
Shut up.
50 Zulu Zulu, London, Roger, call back with higher shortly.
It's funny. Right, there's another line there I can get rid of, yeah. Right, anyway. What's that? What's that? Why have I got something there?
183 understood, climb to flight level 300. Level 300, 183. Ryanair 50 Zulu Zulu, climb flight level 210, route direct Badley. Level 210 Badley, Ryanair 50 Zulu Zulu.
Sounded drunk.
Ryanair 182 X-ray London, good evening, direct to Zurich 1 November, arrival at Luton. Zurich for the Zurich 1 November, next 182 X-ray.
Right, so we've got this square, sort of. We've got to sort these out next. Or we'll sort. Should we sort them out now?
Ryanair 38 November Bravo, contact Dublin.
Yeah, might as well sort them out now.
655, bye-bye.
35655, Ryanair 38 November Bravo, good evening.
Good evening.
Ranger 96, when you're ready, descend flight level 180, level by fan feed. 180 by fan feed, American, sorry, Ranger 96.
Let's leave it there. I'll just turn it down a bit. Turn it down a bit. It's a bit loud and off-putting. Right. So we've got that done. Sort of. So that no longer fits the lid now. So let's do the lid next. We'll sort the stop. Cannot hide Yeah, so we've got to come out of it. Move the bottom. Right, let's do the same to the lid now.
868, contact London, 129.080, bye-bye. 129.00, Canada 868, goodbye.
Goodbye. Right. Yeah, goodbye, bevel. So anyway, what's going on today? Been busy today.
Zulu, climb level 240.
Busy wiring up some fire shutters today.
183, direct to Vienna, climb level 38.
How exciting. Right, so I can get rid of that. Oh, we've still got the bevel there, haven't we? We still need to keep the bevel. Right, so I need to introduce the bevel back in.
When the climb 290 knots or greater, convert to 78 or greater. 2 knots or greater, 78 or greater, convert on a 5000.
I wish they wouldn't mumble. Right, so that's going to come up to there. That's the bevel. I don't know. Is that the bevel? Or is that the bevel? I don't know. Oh, that's a bit of a sharp. Why is that one so much different to that one?
723 London Roger, route direct to Banbo.
No, it isn't. Just the way I was looking at it. That's weird. Oh yeah, just the way I was looking at it. Right, so we can get rid of that. That and that.
November 278 Golf Alpha, contact Brest 135.
I'll leave that one for a bit.
Bye bye. 135 260, Golf Alpha 2. London Control releasing board 21, maintaining flight level 370, direct and breeze.
Right, so we've got to come over here now. We've got to build this back up.
on a good evening, direct to Coxey. Direct Coxey, Singapore 21. Gamrock 723, climb flight level 210. Climb flight level 210, 723.
Nope, that's not it. There we go. What's that?
50 Zulu, climb flight level 280. Climb flight 280, 50 Zulu. Fiber Express 1894, climb flight level 370. Climb flight level 370, Bay Express 1894.
Right, so get rid of that. That. Oh, no, we don't want to get rid of the wrong one. I want rid of that. No, that. We don't want to get rid of the internal ones yet. That's after. And that can come off. So can that. Right, so what have we got now? Yeah.
London, good evening, we're in 21, Zulu Quebec, passing 274, climbing 360 to Medoc, and speed is 290 and or less, and 761 conversion or less. Right, 21 Zulu Quebec, London, roger.
Right, what have we got? Let's get rid of that. That. And what else? Nothing else yet. That's okay, isn't it? Right, so I don't. What we got here?
Right, 50 Zulu, climb flight level 320. Climb flight 320, 50 Zulu.
Oh yeah, so we've got to do the inside. We can do the inside.
Ranger 96, contact Cardiff 125.855. Bye bye. 125.855, Ranger 96, copy that.
No, that's not working for us. Why not? Don't know why. So that was the top. Yeah, that can come away, can't it? That can come away. So can that and that and that and that. Right, is that a lot off the outer bit? Right, there's some over here, need sorting out.
Camrock 723, climb level 300.
300, Camrock 723.
Right, okay. Keep going, keep concentration going.
Let's control the evening, Tartan 4-1, maintaining flow over 200. Start 4-1, London, good evening. Move direct to knock-in. Sorry, it's knock-in time 4-1.
I don't think that's right. Oh, it is. No, it isn't. No, that's not right. We don't need that one.
London, good day, JetBlue 1107, go 350, squawking 5147. JetBlue 1107, London, good evening. Direct to Altmet 1, hotel arrival at Heathrow. Okay, JetBlue 1107, direct to Altmet, and for the Altmet 1 hotel arrival. Camrock 723, climb level 340. Ryanair 210 to Quebec,
That
direct
can
back.
go. So
Can you just take another way from please, 210 to Quebec? Ryanair 210 to Quebec, direct to Bad Sea. Direct to Bad Sea, Ryanair 210 to Quebec, thank you.
something happened there. Alright. Oh yeah, we can get rid of that. That and that and that. And also that. Oh, we've lost something. Oh yeah, we lost a bit there. Right, let's sort this end out. Get rid of that.
Ryanair 210 to Quebec in the cruise, flight decimal 78 or less now please. 78 or less of the cruise, Ryanair 210 to Quebec.
And click that up to there. And get rid of that one. Right, what we got now? So we've got the shell done, have we? There's a bit more there we can get rid of. Oh, we said we were going to keep a line though, didn't we? Yeah, we said we're going to keep the line.
41, contact Scottish.
Shame, I've already got rid of that one.
118.780, bye. 18780, Tartan 41, good night.
We'll keep the line, I think. Yeah, we'll keep the line.
Good evening, Max 78, Echo Tango, flight level 400 inbound to Noses.
So 4.375.
Max 78, Echo Tango, London, good evening, route direct to Knockit.
Max 78, Echo Tango.
4.375. And does it go all the way across? Yes, it does. Right, let's put that line back. We're going to make that into just a line, but we'll probably offset it slightly later on, not yet though. Right, so we've got that back. I've got that back. So now, have we finished? It's the inside bit next, isn't it? Yeah, inside bit. Okay, let's just save that then. Right, it doesn't look too bad, so let's turn it over and do the inside next. Right, similar thing what we did earlier, or maybe we can tidy this up a bit.
Flyer 221, when you're ready, descend to level 200, level bad sea. Again, flight
When they're ready. When they're ready. When they finish their coffee. When you're ready. When you're ready, back in the cockpit. If you don't mind awfully grabbing hold of the steering wheel or the yoke or whatever they call it. Right, so I think I can get rid of that now. Oh, I've gone and done it again, haven't I? I've gone and drawn it.
26 November, Papa London, Roger. Redirect to Enclosure, climb flight level 240. 240 to go south on today, 26 November, Papa. Good evening, 43 Foxtrot Golf 330.
Yeah, so if I get rid of that now, what's going to happen?
43 Foxtrot Golf, good evening. When you're ready to send
No, I don't want to do it that way. I just need to fill that back. We could probably better off not in this mode. No. Let's get that out of there. Right, I keep losing my oh, that's the old one. Let's get rid of the old one. Right. Okay, we don't need the line on the inside anymore. Okay. Get rid of this stuff.
Translate 26 November, Papa, climb level 310. What's your requested level? Climb level 310.
Got something going on here.
3904, cruise speed, possibly.
Oh, it's just there's no floor.
Okay.
There is no floor, so I need to draw it. What happened to my floor?
43 Foxtrot Golf, flight heading 165, descend to flight level 230. Heading 165, to level 230.
Now the floor's back.
Ryanair 182 X-ray, when ready, descend to level 180, level Zurich. Oh, we're ready, descend to flight level 180, descend by Zurich, Ryanair 182 X-ray.
Right, we've gained a floor for some reason.
6 Lima Golf, climbing flight level 220, Dizzy.
Right, we've gained a floor here.
Again, 6 Lima Golf, London, good evening, directed Dizzy.
We'll sort that out in a bit when we've done this bit.
Dizzy, Abtec, request flight level 320 cruise. Golf, Roger, climb to flight level 320. Climb flight level 320.
Come on, you can do it.
Foxtrot Golf, descend to flight level 160, level of beam Westby. Flight level 160, level of beam Westby, default 3 Foxtrot Golf. Ryanair 50 Zulu Zulu, when you're ready, descend to flight level 200, level bad C, convert to 290 knots or greater. 200 level bad C, convert to 290 knots or greater, 50 Zulu Zulu. Ryanair 21 Zulu Quebec, when you're ready, descend to flight level 200, level bad C, convert to 280 knots.
Can always do, depends on what angle you're at, whether you can draw the line or not. It does inference, it infers itself against something else. And if it's something too close, it can confuse it.
Translate 26 November Papa, direct to Goodwood, climb to flight level 35, direct. 350 to Goodwood, translate 26 November Papa, cheers.
Okay, I can get rid of that. That, and that even. Yeah.
Good evening, Ryanair 42 Hotel, in the right turn direct to Oxford, coming flight level 210.
Ryanair 42 Hotel, London, Roger, what's your requested level?
Flight level 340, Ryanair 42 Hotel.
Right, oh, here we go. Some more of this around, get rid of it. Hopefully we should be able to start 3D printing this in a minute.
Hotel, climb flight level 340.
Right, so that's that both ends sorted.
Flight 221, contact Dublin, 135.655.
I'll leave them where they are, because that's where they are on the real thing. Right, okay. Now we've got to sort the floor back now. We've somehow lost our floor or messed our floor up. Yeah, so we've got to intersect the faces with the model. Let's just do that now.
London Center, good evening to you, UPS 203, having follow 370 direct to city. UPS 203 London, good evening, direct to Dover, Delta Victor Romeo. Direct to Dover, Delta Victor Romeo, UPS 203. 43 Foxtrot Golf, for navigation to Webby.
Okay, have we got any hollow bits now? We've got something going on here. Can we just...
43 Foxtrot Golf, for navigation to Webby. Navigation Webby, D43 Foxtrot Golf.
Oh, hang on, let's try to... Hang on. Why is it won't let me do that?
Translate 26 November, Papa, climb level 370.
Done something weird there, hasn't it?
Translate level 370 on the level Papa.
I wonder why it's showing me that. Oh well. Never mind, eh? It's getting rid of the wrong lines, but there we go. Never mind.
Hammock 723 direct to Vapal. Rhino 42 Hotel direct to Badsey.
Badsey, Rhino 42 Hotel.
Easy 43 Foxtrot Golf, contact Cardiff 125.855.
Okay.
25855.
It's done some weird stuff, but there you go.
6 Lima Golf direct to Knock it.
Right, so what have we got now? We've got a line for aesthetics. So we need to do something with the line. We'll have to go this way. 0.25 of a mil. Go that way. 0.25 of a mil. Get rid of the line. Draw a new line.
Logan 6 Lima Golf, contact London 135.580. Bye bye. 135.580. Logan 6 Lima Golf. Bye bye.
And we'll just knock that down by... It won't let us, will it? It might do. Just not a lot. Let's just do 0.25. That'll do. Just give us a ridge. Okay. So the same this side.
Beaver 183, contact Shannon 135.730. Bye bye. 135.730. Bye bye.
Oh, done it again, haven't I? Oh, deleted everything. What is going on? Oh, let's do a line. Get rid of that line. What's that size? 0.5. Let's go down. 0.25. Come out and get rid of these lines. Right, so we've got sort of a line. Okay, and I got the wrong colour here. Okay, right, so we've got that. That's a new colour. That can be printed without any trouble.
Ryanair 50 Zulu, report speed Dublin 135.655.
Printed that way up. Yeah, that's fine.
255
Okay, that's fine. That's the cover that will clip on. So at the bottom, put the bottom back in, take the top off a minute. So there's the, that's where those clips clip in. So we've got to sort these out now.
Ryanair 182 X-ray, contact London 127.955.
So Okay, in X-ray mode. Got to get rid of some of this stuff. Let's go in. What we need is...
Ryanair 21 Zulu Quebec.
I don't know what we need.
135.655. Bye-bye. 135.655 with the speed Ryanair 21 Zulu Quebec.
What do we need? We can get rid of some of it. Let's get rid of some of it. Some of the loose stuff.
74 Kilo Charlie, London, good evening. Climb to flight level 280 to Pole Hill 1 November.
Oh, can I get rid of that? Yeah. You can get rid of stuff that doesn't change. If it starts changing the grey to something greater. If you get rid of something and something obviously changes drastically, you got to stop it. Oh yeah, some stuff there, look. Okay. Can this come away as well? Can, it's doing a bit of weird dance.
London, good evening. Speedbird 239, climbing flight level 150. Speedbird 239, London, Roger. Direct to Meadog, what's your requested level? Direct to Meadog and stand by.
Let's just get it all off. Why not? See what happens. Do we need that? No. All that. Right. So we've got this thing.
And Speedbird 239, requesting flight
but
level 380,
it's not
please.
coming out the top anymore because we just got rid of it all. It's touching the bottom, so it's the only this bit that needs to come out the top. So if I draw a line there, will that sort out? Yeah. And I can. No, I can't extrude from within. Okay, so what we'll do? We'll cheat. We know it's 1.5 mil, so if I copy that. Actually, don't need to copy it, just need to bring it to the top. Oh, see what it's done? It's beveled it. So we'll have to copy it. On the face, that'll do, on the face will do. So we still need the wall. No, we need the wall. Right, so we can extrude it down to there. Maybe. Can't see what's going on anymore, so I need to come out of X-ray mode. Right, so that's basically what we're after. To drop the screw into there. To fasten this to... Yeah, that looks weird. Ah, because that would have to be some kind of plastic. How does it work on a real one? It goes all the way down, doesn't it? Oh yeah, because that's the yeah. It needs some thickness to it. That needs to come all the way down. So what we need to do, I don't know if this will work. We need to bring that up to the surface now. Yeah, all that apart from that. So, well, we need all that up. Let's go. No. Go. Oh, you can do it yet. To there. Let's just make sure we haven't wrecked the other side. No, we haven't wrecked the other side. We need to then bring the rest of it up, but is that going to alter? Try it. I think it's just going to mess the other side up. Yeah, it has, hasn't it? It's got no thickness to the bottom now, look. So we don't want to do that, really. We want to keep that, we just want a surface for the top. So we'll have to create a surface somehow. Not sure how you create a surface, let's have a look. Just like that. And
Shamrock 18 Yankee Golf, climate level 1.50 to request 260 for the cruise. So 1 Yankee Golf London, thank you.
I need to get rid of that. That's it. And we can also get rid of this now, can we? Yeah.
Level 360.
Oh no, not that. Oh, not done it again. Right, and there's some rogue bits somewhere. These rogue bits here. Rogue. So we've got... Yeah, that's what we want. That's what we need. So we've got something to screw that batten back down to. The top, this thing down. Now, do we need to see this? So, right, something not quite there, because that's got to be part of the plastic. So that's the hole out. Let's try and look at it. So what we got here. Right, so we've got a surface there. We don't want the surface there. Yeah, we've got an extra surface there. We don't want it because that's part of the same plastic. How can we get rid of the surface? I don't know how you select a surface. You can't select it. You'd have to get rid of one surface to get to the other. And if I delete that, all that happens is it wrecks it. Does it wreck it? No, it doesn't wreck it, does it? Does it wreck it? Oh, I'm not sure. Has that wrecked anything? That's basically what we wanted to do, get rid of it. Yeah, so it's part of the hollow plastic. I don't know, I'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. So get rid of these. Alright, is that what we want? I don't know. Let's have a look at it in non-X-ray. Ah, wrecked it. Where's the surface from? Oh, we got rid of a surface. Now, is that the bottom of the lid we've got rid of? No, it isn't. That's lucky. Right, that's what we want, yeah. Can't believe it worked. Right. Yeah, that's it, because it's when it prints it, this thickness of the wall is part of the lid. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Right, so what we want now is do this one. This one next, so we need to clean that up somehow. If we get rid of that, yeah, get rid of these bits.
Control ready, good evening, Gemstone 89 Mike, Passenger 1, Fleming Center 160 next to Passenger. Gemstone 89 Mike, thank you, Richard Nixie, and then battery. Battery, Gemstone 89 Mike, by any chance, would it be possible to have direct battery with deconfliction service?
So we've got rid of that.
I won't be able to offer you a deconfliction service, unfortunately. I could probably give you a basic service.
We could do probably just.
Unable, so we'll go next to battery, Gemstone 89 Mike.
Oh, it's not really there, is it?
So, hard on services outside control airspace, so people might change their minds on giving them from now on. Thank you.
So if we copy that like that, and then bring it down to the surface like that. And how are we going to do this now? I can add that to it. Don't know if this is the right way of doing it or not.
London, good day, United 934 Heavy, 330. United 934 London, thanks, direct.
Alright, now we've got a problem here.
Direct sir to the Cirque 1 Hotel, United 934 Heavy.
get rid of this.
London Center, good evening. German Cargo 383-7350.
German Cargo 383, London, good evening. Route direct, Coxie.
Coxie, thank you. German Cargo 383.
Right. Where have we got this last little bit here? Okay, so we've got the lines, but we're missing something.
And the Venn battery.
I'll just measure it. If I measure from there to there, it's 13.5 mil. So let's get rid of this. That. Oh, yeah, we can get rid of all that. 13.5 mil. Okay, so we've got 13.5 mil, and what we want to do is interface it with a model, intersect it with a model. Nothing to intersect, so you've got to choose something. Oops. Hang on, you need to select, that's it, and intersect the faces with a model. Nothing to intersect, why not? Because it's up in the air, look. It's not where it needs to be. So I need to grab that.
Ryanair 39 Charlie Foxtrot, flying flight level 250.
Push it down on the face. Now we can extrude it from there to 11.75. 11.75. Right. So let's see if we've got anything there. We've got this thing again. Okay, and we got rid of the surface. Yes, we just got rid of the surface. We've deleted our surface. Yeah, so we don't want to do that. So we've got to do a bit of interface with the model. Let's try it again. Okay. Oh, no, because we didn't repair like you did that one, did we? No. Right, so yeah, that's got to come up, hasn't it? Let's put a surface on it. No, that didn't work. That did. So we can bring that up.
London, good evening. It's the 77 Hotel Fox, flight level 350.
And also need to bring...
Thank you, route direct.
Oh, is that it?
Tel 21 Lima. Tel, Bob Met, and then Tel 21 Lima, channel 77 Hotel Fox.
So can I get rid of that now, or is it going to take my surface off me? No, the surface is still there, that's good. I just need to reverse the face. Reverse the face, right, okay. I seem to have something there going on. That looks okay, apart from the top bit. Now we got rid of there, yeah, so we can probably get rid of it now. Let's see. No. No, it's got rid of that one again. Hang on. We don't want to do that. So, can't get the angle right on it here today. Look at that. Oh, we've got weirdness going on here. Why have we got weirdness going on? Strange stuff. Oh, I got rid of something. Let's go back. No, that didn't do anything. Redo, redo. So let's just get rid of the anomaly. Okay. Can I get rid of that? Yeah, I can get rid of that. Let's turn some weird stuff again. Oh well, it is what it is. It's all over the place, isn't it?
Hello, Shamrock 388, flight level 3502, Avzac. Shamrock 288, thanks, direct Zurich for the Zurich 1 Hotel. For the Zurich 1 Hotel, Shamrock 3882.
Right, so what have we got now? Have we deleted something? Don't know. So we've got that surface there. We've got our original surface. God, look at it. Right, let's try and intersect the faces with the model.
199340, send now flight level 200. Flight level 200, United 934 Heavy.
Okay, can we smooth it? Yeah, got rid of a few extra lines. Now if I select that surface, oh, it's allowed me to do it. Okay, so it's allowed me to do it. And if I change, make all these the same colour. Needs a little line there. Right, anything else? Oh, I've got no surface now. Oh, we can sort that out there. It's a mess, isn't it? Sometimes I have to build it again, really. So what, we'll build it again. Something not right there. Don't know what. The bottom's fine. So we'll grab that, and that, and that. We'll copy it. Paste it in place. Go back in. Let's get rid of. Let's just get rid of some of this stuff. Okay. Let's get rid of it all. All that. Still got some left. Oh, that's my original. That's my copies. So I want to get them and bring it up to the surface probably.
Sorry, I was on the phone. Station calling, go again.
On the section plane. Right, so we'll do that one first. I should be able to get that and extrude it down. Needs to be the same length as this one, which is 11.5. So extrude that down 11.5, and we'll grab this one here and grab this one, and we need to move that down. How are we going to move that down? Go like that, keep going. No. Is it going to let me go? No, it doesn't know what I'm doing with it. So I'll go down. Gone so far, I need to go some more. Let's try and go some more. On the face, that's it. On the face. So now we need to extrude that all the way through now, whatever that distance is there, which is, that's not it, 3.25. It's not part of the model for some reason.
United 934, stop, caution, stop descent, flight level 230.
It is part of the model.
Setting 230, United 931.
Intersect the faces with the model.
Flight level 220. Flight level 220.
No, didn't like that. Undo it. So we've got to choose that. Oh, we've got a surface on top, haven't we? I don't know what we've got here. We've got the lower surface. How did I get that? Because I extruded it. Let's just go back a few times. Oh, I still got it. Okay.
Contact Dublin 135 decimal 655.
Oh, I'm looking at here. Oh, you've got this again.
135 decimal 655 just on 87.
Oh. That needs to come back down here.
United 934 descend, flight level 140, level Zurich. Flight 140, level Zurich, United 934. Easy 90 kilo, climb flight level 280. Level 280, easy 90 kilo.
Alright, can I get rid of that? Have I just got rid of the inside? I've just got rid of this inside surface. Shit, we're getting round in circles here. It's going round in circles. So we fix that one. That one's done, isn't it? Yeah. That one's done. This one, need to intersect the faces with the model somehow. Right, has that got rid of that, or has it took this? No, we're okay again.
3064, climb flight level 240.
We're okay again. Oh, it's come back, look. It's back. How is that back? I deleted it all. It's a glitch. Is it a glitch or is it something else? I don't know. You little bugger. Alright, anyway. Alright, so I've got no thickness to the bottom of here now. I don't know, normally get this trouble with this. So is that 1475, the outer piece? Yeah. So let's just measure that. 2.2. Right, okay. Let's get rid of that. 2.2, remember the 2.2. Oh, I don't know what size I need now. 3 point something, wasn't it? 3 point something. 3.250. So we'll bring that up 3.250. See if we've wrecked the bottom. No. Yes, we have. Yeah, didn't like that. So I think I know what to need to do. I need to do it from the underneath, not from the top. Yeah, let's do it from the underneath. So I need to copy. So the one's 2.2.
Good evening, Ryanair 37 Zulu Lima, direct to Oxford, on display level 340. Ryanair 37 Zulu Lima, thank you, Quebec. I'm on 388, request descent, please. I'm 388, descent, flight level.
Let's just get that middle bit back before we lose it. Alright, so we're going to copy that and paste it in place. I'm going to move it up out the way for a bit, and we're going to delete this. Let's make sure we haven't selected anything else to delete. Yes, we have. That's fine. Gone. Oh, that's gone. Yeah. Let's make sure there's no remnants left. No remnants left.
London, good evening to you.
Oh, we're going to turn it over now. We're going to grab that. I'm going to take it to the bottom on the surface. Okay. Let's make sure it's on the surface. It is. They're going to cut it. Go into the model and paste it in place. And we're going to now extrude that all the way up to 14.75. Right. Problem there. We've gone too high. So that's alright, we can drop that down to that. And we've got... No, we need to go either way. I've lost it now. It's normally easy, this is. I don't know why I can't do it. Right. So, okay. Let's undo something. Right, so there. So, we've got that, so we can copy that. Paste it in place. Alright, where is it though? So we paste it in place. Yeah. We've got to extrude that. So we want to extrude that 1.5 mil. So we're there.
Ascot 3805, contact Brian 133.755. 33755, Ascot 305, good night.
Right, so what's this size? 7'5", 10. Right, okay. 3.7, 2.2, 1.5. So, okay, we want we're in the model still, so we want to get that. Why is it not showing me? It's not showing me because this is in the way.
Kilo navigation, Wallasey, contact Scottish 118.780.
Oh, let's go back in here. That's it, gonna get this. And open it up by 1.5.
London, good evening. Jet 313, flight level 390 inbound Gatley for the 61 Brown.
Right, so that's 1.5. What do we do now? Extrude it up to there. Okay.
Jet 313, route direct 60. 60, Jet 313.
So I've got the whole.
18 Victor Whiskey navigation, Wesley.
I've got this thing in the way now. Let's just get rid of it. Okay, so we've got rid of that. We've got the hole going down, but we've got no bottom to it. So we need the bottom on it now. So if we just draw a line like that, we fill the hole up. And we need to grab hold of, oh, we know what that is anyway. Let's just get rid of that now. Go back into here and select this. Oh god, it's all in bits. What is that? See, there's a bit that's causing the trouble. Look at that. A rogue piece.
Alex 77 Hotel Foxtrot when ready, descend flight level 300.
Tell you what, let's remake that bit.
70 miles before Chelsea.
1.5.
Ready level 300 to be level 70 miles before Chelsea, Chennai 77 Hotel Fox.
No, that's right there, isn't it? Yeah. Leave that there then. Can't get rid of that one, so let's just go with it. Right, so then we're going to go off there. 2.2. That gives us our middle bit. We no longer need, we need that. Why do we need that? That's our wall. Anyway, let's try it. So let's bring that down. It's a nightmare. Don't know. How did I do it before? Did it the other day. There. I've been to sleep since, that's the trouble. So that's flat with it. I just want 3.75 wall on it. How about if I go down 3.75? I'll just put another thing on top of it. Let's have a look this way. Yes, we've got the indent. And we'll just draw a line on it again, maybe. Yeah, so we've got that. And we want that gone. And we don't need this no more. But it is part of everything. Oh yeah, we don't need that no more, that's right. So that can go.
Sorry, was that Shamrock? Who's the Shamrock call sign? Shamrock 529. Can you just say your position, please? We're just going to toggle back, sorry, I think that's pretty too. That's alright, no worries, thanks.
Alright, so we've got what we want. There's some extra stuff going on. But if we smooth it out, okay, it should have put it back to what we want. Okay.
Yeah, I'll get back to you in 1 second.
Let's have a look at it. So we've got some reverse faces.
50 knots, 3064. November 3, Quebec Sierra, route direct, Resno, climb flight level 400.
Yeah, if you want to do anything, you've got to keep on doing it. Don't give up. Keep on doing it for how long? An hour and a half, that's not too bad. We've got one more phase to reverse. Right, okay, so we've got that. But what we haven't got is we haven't got a nice bevel, but this is going on the inside anyway, it's not seen, so I don't really care. Right, so eventually we've got what we want, yeah? Looks like we've got what we want. Oh, let's come out of that. Save it. Put the top on it. Now we need to have a look at it now with the top on. Make sure we've still got clearance. Right, examine it now. We've got a bit of clearance still, yeah, that's good. I don't know if I like the way that goes all the way to the edge though. Recipe for a bad edge, isn't it? Unless we bring it short, line it up with that. Although, I think I'll try it. Right, so we've got something now. We got rid of... Yeah, I can't see any problems, but there's bound to be some problems. Right, okay, so what do we print first then? What do we print first? The bottom or the... Well, all this gives us is a hollow box that can be potted. I don't want to pot it, so we'll print the top first and leave the bottom, because I might want to design something else around that. But anyway, we got close to the original. Right, let's get the top then. That's what we want. Let's just give it the once over. Doesn't change anything, does it? No, that's okay. Right. We're going to export it as an STL now. Export it as an STL. And we're going to call it, what did we call it last time? Lid. I can't remember what we called it last time now. Reader style top enclosure. Was that it? Must have been. Top cover. Right, so go over to the Bamboo Studio. Go on to new project and import an STL. Let's find it again. Enclosure style top cover second. That's got the wrong date on it. Why has it got the wrong date on it? Oh, we'll soon know if we import it. Right, here's the right one. 44 non-manifold edges. That's probably not right. So we've got a little bit of a thing going on, right? And it's the wrong way around. So we're going to do an auto arrange. Oh, just put it on its side. Why would it do that? I don't want to do that. So we'll rotate it 45 degrees to the... Which way? I don't know. Which one do I want? The Y? No, Z, X, Y. I don't know. The blue one. The Z. No. The green. Minus 45. That's it. So it's flat on the bed. It's got a bevel. It'll cope with that bevel. Slight bevel all the way around. It'll cope with it. Alright. Okay, so we're going to print that out now. Let's make sure we've got the right. Oh, it hasn't chose the printer.
Represent 09 uniform, climb flight level 18, sorry. And 180, represent 09 uniform.
It has got it, but it's not synced. Printer is not connected. It always does this. And it finds it. Look, it's found it now. Right, so yeah, we want the grey. I'm going to use the grey. Grey for now. Could make it in white, I suppose. Should do it in ABS. Nah. Let's just do it in the grey. Seems object offer style enclosure top cover as following cantilever. Please reorientate. Cantilevers, where are they then? There's no cantilevers, only slight bevel. It can cope with that. So jump to reorientate. No, I'm going to ignore that. I think that's not good. I think it'll be fine. Oh, it's on about these. It'll cope with them. Yeah, it'll do them. Right, slice the plate. 45 pence, 25 minutes to print that out. Right, let's try it then. Sending print job through the cloud. Sent. It's all the way to China and back again.
Easy 13 Tango uniform, descend to flight level 220, level by exam. Easy 13 Tango uniform, thank you.
Now the print is cold. It's a cold day today, so the chamber's cold, so it wouldn't have had a chance to warm up. So the first print's never brilliant. It's okay, but it's, you know, the bed's been coming up. It's going to do preheat the bed.
Easy 13 Tango uniform, when you're ready, descend to flight level 160.
And it'll connect when it's finished. So let that carry on for a bit. I'll smooth that over to there. Right, let's have a look at the bottom now. So that's going to be the cover. So now we end up with this piece. We've got another problem now. Got another problem with this because it's raised there, and if I print it upside down, this is going to be cantilevering out, and it's going to cause a problem. So, what do I do with it? What you can injection mold is not necessarily any good for 3D printing. Yeah. So. Might have to do. We might have to alter this again. The other bits, the cover. That's just the top is just a push-on cover to hide the screws. So you can surface mount it, fasten it down, and the other one clips over the top and hides the screw holes. That's all it does really. So in that case. I could print it on its side. What happens if you print it on its side? It would have this cantilever to deal with. If we printed it on its side, can't get it there. So if you printed it on its side like that, it would be able to do this. It won't be able to do that or that. So big problem. So it has to be done flat, but then it's got this canter. Ah, but we could do a raft. Yeah, we could do a raft on this bit. We could print a raft out of a waffle, and it'll just peel off. And it's support material for printing this bit. Yes, it won't look nice, but well, this'll be nice. This won't, but the sides will be fine. But does it matter? Because it's having the cover put on it anyway. to having the top cover fitted onto it later. So we'll try it. I've done it before with what have I, yeah, I'll show you what I've done before if I can find it. Yeah, here we go. I've got loads of stuff here, bits and pieces. So if I got one, some of the stuff I printed, you can't see it, the camera's too high. Yeah, here it is, here's one. Right. This is where they all go flying. So what we've got here is an enclosure with a DIN rail mount clip, 3D printed as well. This bit in the middle here, this texture, can't see it. So it's smooth there, that's the texture of the plate. This funny bit is where the raft was ripped out of it. So it prints a very thin layer here to keep it flat to support the next layer. And it comes off, so potentially that bit I was on about would be like that. That's the nice texture there. And that'll be like that. So the cover will fit over. It's not the end of the world then, is it? It's not the end of the world. So that's basically just one of my own ones. Right. It's basically, yeah, you can't see it from there. Yeah, so it's basically one of these with the board in it. I've got the TFT screen there. I also had one with the buttons on it. So it's, I don't know, it's all crazy stuff. Anyway, right, so just keep it on the yeah, it's just doing some auto bed leveling at the minute. That's all it's doing, bit of auto bed leveling. Right, so we'll print that out there and we'll see what we got. There is enough clearance for the lid to go over it. So anyway, that's a natural conclusion to today's.
Flight level 200, level badge.
I think we'll leave it at that.
Flight level 310.
Now that badge, when it prints that out, it's going to have to cantilever over it, so we might not be able to do the indent like that. We'll try it though. See what it comes out like.
Turkish 8 Romeo uniform A firm. Expect flight level 200, level badge. When ready, descend flight level 310.
Yeah, so I don't quite know what I'm going to do with this yet. The idea is to put your own circuit board in it, whether it be keypad, reader. It's a shell to be modified to put whatever you want in it. Whether you can pot it, you might want to pot it. I don't like potting stuff, but if it's going to go outside, you put your circuit board in, your Wi-Fi module, whatever, build it all in here and pot it. I'd love to make a keypad, you know, a little keypad. That's got its own problems. Water ingress, open to abuse. So the idea was for the audio video intercom, so you'd have a camera module or a speech module here. You'd have your RFID reader and your speech module, and then your camera module and whatever else you wanted, to screen and keep, you know, whatever. Just to make it look like the other one, basically. Anyway, I think that's it. So while the other one's printing, let's have a look. I would started doing it. I'll just show you that. If it fails, it fails. Right, so we've got, yeah, it started doing a bit, yeah, sticking okay, consider I haven't cleaned it, or the chamber's cold as well, so can't see that line at the back. Maybe it hasn't got to that bit yet. That's weird, why hasn't Is that... Or was it just too dark? I can't see it, maybe. Weird. Yeah, it's like it's missing a piece. Unless that's the piece of the cantilever that's sticking up.
785 Yankee, contact Dublin 135.655.
Oh, it's starting to do it now.
Dublin 135.655,
Yeah.
jump down. 85 Yankee, goodbye, bye.
So basically what it's doing, the nozzle's melting the PLA, it's just PLA. It's melting it and forcing it through like a glue gun, I think. A bit like a glue gun. It has some kind of control over it, so it can move from there to here without dripping it all over the place. Clever how that does that bit, yeah. You can go faster as well. 23 minutes. You could speed it up. You can go onto this thing here and go up to sport, or go quieter, slower, sport or ludicrous mode. But I figure I'm not in a rush. I can wait 22 minutes, so I'll leave it at the standard. Why kill the printer just to get a faster speed? Doesn't matter. And you've got your humidity going on here, so that's the blue grey stuff that's going through at the minute. This is the AMS section on it. Got a basically multi-material spool holder. Anyway, right, so I'll let that carry on for a bit. What's it doing over there? What is that? Oh, it just hasn't filled it in. It's doing it now. Yeah, so I'll print that out and...
Focus 8 Romeo uniform when ready, descent flight level 200 level band C.
I think that's going to be it, really. Let's have a look. Let's just keep it short for tonight. Why not? Keep it short. Okay, anyway, that's going to be it. I'll come back tomorrow night with the ready stuff, basically. Yeah. Alright then. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here. And bye-bye.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation. That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.